Scope of embellishments including pet item is as carefully planned and made as you'd anticipate from Range Rover, including stitched load space liners to spill-safe water bowls. Every one of these contacts are matched by the vehicle's unparalleled rough terrain and towing capacities. With so much elements as the electrically deployable tow bar, making it a refined and secure tow vehicle.
Remarkable extra wheels add to the vehicle's in general allure. Programmed electrically deployable avoids make getting in and out simpler, and stacking and dumping rooftop adornments. Peaceful crossbars are not difficult to fit, dispensing with the requirement for rooftop rails, and can uphold a scope of rooftop conveying extras. A rooftop box promptly holds your gear. A ski and snowboard transporter. A ski and snowboard transporter keeps your hardware secure, and you can convey bicycles on this wheel-mounted cycle transporter. A dash cam includes full HD front and rear camcorders, which can likewise be set to record should your vehicle be drawn nearer while left. Everything assists you with capitalizing on life.
Features as the electrically deployable tow bar, making it a refined and secure tow vehicle. Unique Accesso.